Hello friends, in this video I will show how to install MySQL 8.0.34 server and Workbench latest version on Windows 11. So open any web browser and search MySQL. Now open this official website MySQL. Now here click on downloads, scroll down and click on this GPL download. Now select this option for Windows. Now here we can see this is the latest version of MySQL. You can download for 32-bit or 64-bit. Just click on download. Now here click on no thanks. Just start my download. Once this downloading process is complete, double click on this MySQL. Now here click on yes. Now here select custom. Then next expand MySQL servers. Select this one. Then click on this right arrow. Applications, MySQL Workbench. Select it. Then drag to this box. Now MySQL shell and select this latest version 8.0.34 and drag to in this box. Now click on next. Leave as default. Now here execute. Now here click on next, next, leave as default, click on use strong password, it's recommended, enter strong password, then click on next, select yes grant full access, then execute. Now click on finish, next, and finish. Now open File Explorer, open C drive, program files, click on MySQL server bin, and copy this path. Click on Start, search environment, click on Edit the system environment variables. Now here, click on Environment Variables, find out path, double click on it, New, and paste that path, then click on OK. Now open CMD. So type here command prompt or CMD. Right click on command prompt, run as administrator. Now here search MySQL, double space, dash dash and version. Press enter. We can see we successfully installed latest version of MySQL. Now to check the password, MySQL space dash u, u for user, space root space dash p. Now here p for password. Press enter. Enter your password. Press enter. We can see password is working properly. Now type here show database, semicolon, and enter. Create database, semicolon. So create database and press enter. Again type show database. So this is the way you can check version and password is working. Now click here and enter the password. So this way guys, you can download and install latest version of MySQL in Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel.